guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you don't know who I am or who he is, my name is Lindsay and this is my boyfriend Ethan. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today's video is very exciting because obviously by the title you can tell we're going to be talking all about my merch. By this time right now that this video is live, my website is actually live too, so it'll be linked in the description down below for you to, you know, do your purchases there and check it out. But wait until after you watch this video to go there because we talk all about it and I want you guys to know all about it before you head over there. Without further ado, let's just get started. We have been talking about merch for such a long time now, since I had, I think, around like 20,000, 15,000 subscribers. And I knew at first that I wanted to create something for you guys. It kind of slowly turned into more of like a clothing brand, a clothing line. Like we wanted to create something more than just YouTuber merch, and that's when we created Lindsay Ray. Ethan is here because he created this line with me. It's so exciting and everything is so amazing. This is really like one of my dreams, is like to create a company and to like make clothes. So to finally like start is just really exciting. And to do it with Ethan is also like amazing. So this brand is just, it means so much to me and I'm very excited to share it with you guys. So I've mentioned this a couple times on my channel, but I'm not sure if some of you know because I know I have a lot of like new subscribers. But I'm going to let Ethan talk a little bit about his background with like making clothes and fashion and all of that, because I know some of you might be confused as to like why we are creating this together or why I'm filming this part with him. So I'm gonna let him explain. Ethan, go ahead.
So if you guys didn't know, like I make clothes, and I'm not saying like I just go and put like a design on a t-shirt. Like I actually like make clothes. So I taught myself how to sew, I taught myself how to do graphic design, website design, marketing, styling, some photo shoot skills, Photoshop, all the good stuff that, you know, requires you to run your own brand. So
he taught himself all of that. He's very incredibly knowledgeable about all of this stuff. That is why I need him to make this brand. It's kind of like a perfect little team right here. He knows all this stuff and then I have like ideas and everything on how, like, what I want to create. He's the creator, he's making my dreams come true. This is literally his life. And I just want to give you guys a little background just in case you didn't know that. So we just wanted to stress this to you guys that we're the only ones like working on this. We're the ones that you guys are going to be like going to for if you have any questions or if you have like problems or anything. We're gonna be the ones taking care of it. So we just wanted to let you guys know that. Let's just get into it right now because I cannot wait to show you guys. Let's just show you. Let's get into it.
The first item we made is a black hoodie.
This is it right here.
I'll
show a clip of me wearing it right now, but this is the front, and right here we have logo right there. So it's super simple on the front and it's actually 3M. So I'll insert a picture of what it looks like when you take a picture with flash. And this is the back. So there is a quote on the back. It says, "It is during our darkest moments that we must focus to see the light." And this is actually a quote from Aristotle, and that is why this hoodie is called the Eris hoodie. So the back is also super simple, just the quote written in white, and then down here, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's kind of hard to see, but the word light is reflective. So I'll insert a picture where you could see, you know, the reflective part. Yeah, it looks so cool in pictures and everything, just like the front. So one thing that's always been super important to Ethan is like the quality of his clothes. That is something that is like really huge in his clothing brand and he is like bringing into our clothing line. The quality of these hoodies is insane. That is like one of the most important things because hoodies, it's a staple piece. It's really important to have like really good quality and really soft, comfortable, heavyweight hoodies. Just something that you can wear every single day. You can have it for a while. It's gonna last you a long time. That is like really important to us.
It's 10 ounces actually. How hoodies work, there's like lightweight, medium weight, and heavyweight is anywhere from like 8 to 10 ounces, so it's on the like really heavy side. It's actually like when I first made hoodies, I use this is the same exact hoodie that I use, and like I wear this like 24/7.
I wear that one all the time, which is why like when we were creating these, like I was like, I want to use those exact hoodies because I love that hoodie. So I really wanted to like bring it into this one and use the same one. The next detail we wanted to show you guys is actually the custom labeling that's on the inside of the hoodie. So it is right here the logo, so LR, and then all the sizing underneath, and then whatever size you get is going to be circled. Sometimes when you look in like hoodies, you can never tell, like you're like, where is the sizing, or like looking up and down for it.
Small or like
yeah,
hitting.
So this right here, you just open it up, there you go, small. Circled. So that kind of brings me into the sizing. Our sizing is extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. And that is because these hoodies are a little bit oversized. I usually wear a medium in hoodies, but in this one I have a small. So like if you're a medium, I suggest getting a small. If you're a large, I suggest getting a medium. So on the tag, we have only from extra small through extra large. But if you guys do need a larger size and extra large, then you guys can let us know. We could definitely make that for you. We just weren't sure because like these are a little bit oversized, so just let us know and we can accommodate to any of you that need like a larger size. Like we said, like since we're doing this, you guys can just tell us directly and we can do like anything you guys need. So this is the Eris hoodie and it is going to retail for $55. Something that I kind of had a hard time on was the pricing of these clothes, because I really wanted to create something that like you guys can afford and was at a really good price, but also is like really nice quality. We are not like in this for the money. We're not creating this clothing line for the money. We're creating it because we both love clothes, we love fashion, but with like high quality also goes like higher prices. So after long talks, long consideration about the pricing, we came up with $55. That's a good deal because for my birthday last year, Ethan got me a $90 hoodie, and that's actually
this one right
this one. These are the exact hoodies that I'm using for these hoodies. They're the exact ones. We bought them from the same place. These hoodies were $90 and mine are $55, so I think it's a pretty good deal, you guys.
And this doesn't have 3M.
And those don't have 3M. And those don't have my name on it. So yeah, that's the Eris hoodie. That's our first item. Crazy, you guys. I'm in love with it. It is everything. And now we're gonna move into the second and final item of our first drop. Our second item is something that is very, very my style. I mean, both of our styles. I love simple white tees, so that is exactly what we made. This is the Life is a Dream shirt. So this is it right here. It is very simple, has my name written on it, and underneath it says Life is a Dream in Italian. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm Italian. I get a lot of questions about that, you guys asking me like what I am. I'm white basically because I'm a majority Italian, and if you're Italian, hate to break it to you, but we're white. So that is something that is like really close to me, so I really wanted to like incorporate that into this t-shirt. A staple in my closet, and I feel like in a lot of other people's closets, is a simple white tee. I mean, something that you can throw on every single day, something you can throw on with anything. You can style it a bunch of different ways. So you can crop it, you can tie it, you can just wear it like this. And inside is another one of the sizing, and it is just the same as the hoodie but in gray, so it's not as dark. And that just, I think, looks nicer on a white tee.
Also, the tees are 6.5 ounces, which is on the heavyweight side, and they're 100% cotton.
So this is the Life is a Dream tee, and this is going to retail for $23. So those are the two pieces for our first drop. We really wanted to keep them simple, black and white, unisex, available to everyone, high quality, affordable, just like everything in one, and I feel like we accomplished that.
Everyone loves a white tee. Everyone loves a black hoodie. So we're keeping it super simple now, but as we start to progress,
as we know like who our audience is and everything, we're going to really like mold this brand, you know, around all of us. I want to know who our audience is, what your guys' colors are you want, like what kind of clothes you guys want, and that's like what we're gonna go forward with our brand. So another important thing you guys should know is that our clothes are made to order. So it's not like we just made 30 hoodies and like 20 t-shirts and we're just gonna sell them to you guys and like sell out. These are made to order. So however many you order, we are making them for you, honey. We are making all of them. Since this is our first drop, we don't know how many people are gonna order stuff. I mean, like 2 people might order stuff or like 20 people might order stuff. So like we don't really know what's gonna happen. We really wanna see that with like our first drop, and that's why we're doing like made to order. So even though these hoodies are made to order, I suggest getting them, you know, while you can, because they're not going to be, we don't know exactly when we're going to cut it off or when we're going to like stop taking orders. Just know that like eventually we're going to, we just don't know when, but we will notify you guys like when that will happen.
It's just we want to make sure everyone gets something if they want it, and like you know, you might be like, oh, I'm waiting to get paid. Or
yeah, we don't want to keep changing the date for you guys, but we'll let you guys know when we are going to cut off like taking orders.
Yeah.
And another thing with made to order is that it will probably take like 2 to 3 weeks for you guys to get your items, so it's not going to be like instantaneous, but we'll keep you guys updated. Obviously, I'll keep you guys updated on here. We just wanted to be honest with you guys.
Yeah, we're trying to be like transparent on like every level.
Yeah, and just so you guys know, it's a process. So we actually have a little mini vlog to show you guys of how we created our sample pieces. The 2 pieces we showed you are sample pieces, and what that means is they're kind of like the experiments. We actually messed up on one of their shirts, which is why they're sample pieces. And so like, which is why they're made differently. Exactly.
So like you gotta experiment. It's okay to mess up, but you'll see in the vlog, these are direct to garment, and what that means is think of like a big printer, and you just put like a shirt, a hoodie, like some
just
sweats.
one made.
Yeah, just one made, and you put it in the printer and literally just prints the image onto it. It's
hard to explain, but you guys are gonna see in the vlog. I mean, I filmed everything, but yeah, that is what we did for the sample pieces. But the pieces that you guys are going to be getting are actually going to be made screen printing. Screen printing is kind of just like a little bit step up. Direct to garment is also very, very good. We're doing a vlog just to show you, you know, how we made the sample pieces, just in case you guys are interested, because a lot of people will use direct to garment to make all of their clothes. We are taking it a step further for the pieces that you are going to be getting. Those are going to be made screen printing. So the shop that you're going to see in the vlog portion of today's video is actually Product of LA, and they are located in Los Angeles, and it's ran by Ethan's really good friend Javi. So we just wanted to give a quick shout out to them for helping us out, and they actually have helped Ethan out with his brand too, and we just wanted to give them a quick shout out. Their Instagram and address is going to be linked in the description down below if you guys want to check them out if you're interested in, you know, making clothes or anything. They are amazing, and Javi is so nice. I just want to give a big thank you to him for helping us out, because he was a really big part in like the startup of our brand. Vlog portion, you guys are going to see us making our samples. It's very exciting, so let's roll that clip. We're on our way to get my samples made, and I'm so excited to like see it like and be able to touch it and wear it. It's gonna look so cool just like all together. We're on our way to get that done.
I measured just the L as 1.1. I drew everything out, like proportional wise, and then just did 1 inch for it. Yeah, but like that might be a 50 clip, right?
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
Yeah, that's true. Like, is this good height wise?
That's pretty much good, yeah.
Give me a tutorial, E.
You have to spray that on the garment before you print.
Oh.
So it's very important. So that's gonna bake for 30 seconds. It's basically just drying the pre-treat.
That's so cool. Is she done?
Yeah.
So for instance, the L and light.
I was trying to figure out, there's probably an easier way to do it, but what I did was...
Just the green button?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah. Like super like, you know.
Ooh.
Tape on there.
It looks so like official, so cool.
See the level of detail that goes into.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a perfectionist. We're both perfectionists, so.
Wow. Dude, that looks fire.
That looks so good. So that is it. That is everything about our clothing line, Lindsay Ray. Like I said, once again, linked in the description down below. Everything is live right now. The hoodie, the t-shirt, everything. It's so awesome. I'm so excited. So go pick up your pieces, take pictures, tag me in pictures, send them to me. I am probably gonna cry seeing all of them. So go follow me on Instagram, go follow Ethan on Instagram. Also go follow the lindsayray.co Instagram. That is also live as well, and we're gonna be posting pictures on it, and also tag them. So we can all see it. So I guess that's it for today's video. This is so exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting us. Thank you so much for 38,000 subscribers. I'm very happy and excited for us, and I just want to thank you guys. I love you so much. Thank you again for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below anything you would like. Comment down below if you're gonna buy something. Comment down below what you want to see next after this drop. Comment down below how excited you are. Anything at all. And we will see you guys, or I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Met this girl down by the vine, had long 10 legs and